Hello friends, after seeing good feedbacks from different sources of Mi Power Bank 2i, I also decided to buy this product, and I got this product today from mi.com. So I am going to share unboxing video of this product with you. So let us check it out. So this is the power bank order from mi.com. You can see mi.com. So let's unbox this. It has 20,000 mAh battery with 3.0 quick charge support. Actually it is written here 3.6A fast charging, and it costs 1500 rupees. It is also available in Flipkart, so you can check out in Flipkart too. So let us unbox fully. And this is quick start guide. So this is the power bank, white color, you can see. This is the power bank, Mi Power Bank 2i with 20,000 mAh battery. So if you wish to buy, you can check it out in mi.com as well as in Flipkart, and you will not be disappointed because this is rated as one of the best power bank under 1500 rupees. So you can go for it, and thank you so much for watching.